How's it going? My name's Joe and this is the Court Graphic from DC. Now the Court Graphic is a classic. It's made with a durable action leather available in a ton of different colors. Got the nice fat laces there for easy lacing. Little details with the DC logo and the big DC logo. Look at all this cushioning you're going to get in that tongue. Definitely going to protect the top of your foot there, as well as added cushioning around that collar area and down there in the footbed. Now you got this cupsole construction. You can see that reinforced stitching you've got going on there. Keep it nice and sturdy. You're going to get a nice stiff flex there, so when you're going big, it'll give you that added support that you're going to need. Then we got the super sticky DC pill pattern here on this rubber outsole. Put a classic on your feet. It's the Court Graphic. Classic graphic. Hey, that kind of rhymes. I'm not very good at rhymes, but sometimes I can figure it out. Like good skate shoes. I can figure them out sometimes too. Like the Court Graphic from DC.